All right, I have to show you this 4-in-1 wood workshop. Playing with this makes me feel like I'm like back in the 40s or something where they sold like real cool toys to kids. There's so many things that you can do with this. So first of all, you have a lathe where
That's the best one.
it spins it, and then you can make different designs. Now it comes with this tool. I do have to say I'm a little disappointed with the tool. I'd recommend getting better ones. There are a variety that you can get for not very much of a cost. But then if you arrange this differently, they also have...
Well, so you
called?
just passed. This
I
is
just
the
passed it.
jigsaw and the sanding machine, so you set them both up together.
Yeah, so you can see how you rearrange these things, and then you'll actually put the jigsaw up here, and then you can cut out cool little things like a little fish, or a different variety of things on the pieces.
And
of
there's
wood.
actually even a bunch of different patterns that you can look through and use those if you want to cut out.
Yeah. And then it also, which is pretty cool, I have to show you the picture of this. I think I lost it. Here we go. So if you rearrange these items, you can see that it actually turns into a vertical drilling machine as well. So if you're wanting to enter the Pinewood Derby, you could do actually quite a bit on this, which is really cool if you're wanting to let your kids have some hands-on experience and actually make something themselves. It even comes with some safety goggles, so there are ways, to be safe while you're exploring. The best way to learn is to do it yourself, and this is a really awesome way to start off in 3 different areas. Four different areas.